Okay. So, ulitin na natin. A uniform flexible cable, 200 meter, weighs 5,000 newton. The resultant tension at the ends of the tension cable are 8,800 newton and 8,000 newton respectively. So, obviously, di ba, kapag yung maximum tension, yun nasa highest point. Lagi naman. And then, yung mas mababang tension, nasa mas mababang point. Ito yung lowest point sa points. What is the difference between the two ends? Ito yun. So, siguro ito yung nahanap, delta H. What is the horizontal distance between the two supports? So, yung L. So, magkano yung W? Si S1 plus S2 is equal to 200. Kasi yung sabi, yung length niya daw ay 200 meters. So, that is magkano? 5,000 divided by 200. That is equal to 25 Newton per meter. No, yan yung W natin. So, di ba ang first step natin kapag catenary, mamaya baka may nagsisolve ng catenary sa inyo, walang naglalagay ng datum, no? So, this is C, this is YA, this is YB. Okay? This is X sub 1, XB, lagay ko na lang ito XB, tas XA. Na mas madali pala kung letter A yung gagamitin natin. SEST. So, dali. Okay, first, so, paano natin ito gagawin? Isa-side. So, yung W, given naman na yung W, tama? So, di ba ang formula ng Tmax natin, EA is equal to W multiplied by YA. Meron na tayo ng EA, ito yon. And then, meron tayong, wala pa tayo YA. W meron, no? So, masasolve natin si YA. So, magkano si TA, 8,800 Newton, is equal to 25 over, multiplied by Y. So, magkano si Y? That is equal to 8,800 divided by 20. 350. Si TB, that is equal to WYD. So, that is 8,000 divided by W, W pala is 25 multiplied by Y. So, magkano si YB? That is equal to 8,000 divided by 20. So, that is 320. Okay. Ano units? Meters. O, masasolve na ba natin si difference in elevation? So, the difference in elevation, that is equal to the YA minus YB. So, the change in elevation ng two supports is equal to 352 minus 320. So, that is equal to 32 meters. Oh, may first, ano ka na, okay, skip mo na yung, tama na, may nasagot na tayo. Next. So, paano natin kukunin si S tsaka si C? Di ba, meron tayo ditong relationship ni YA by YA squared is equal to SA squared plus C squared. Okay lang? So, si YA, meron na tayong value na 352 squared is equal to SA squared plus C squared. Tama. And then, si YB, gamitin naman natin si YB squared is equal to SB squared plus C squared. So, that is equal to 320 squared equals to SB squared plus C squared. Equate lang natin si C squared, magkamukha naman sa, ano? So, mat uli siya. So, C squared is equal to 352 squared minus SA squared. Tapos yung isa C squared din, that is equal to 320 squared minus SB squared. So, equate lang natin. So, we have 352 squared minus SA squared is equal to 320 squared minus SB squared, no? So, do some mathematics, transpose lang natin. So, we have 352 squared minus 320 squared is equal to, transpose natin to sa kabila, magiging plus. So, that is SA squared minus SB squared. So, magkano si 352 squared minus 320 squared? So, that is equal to SA squared minus SB squared is equal to 21,504. Ano yung isa nating formula ng SA plus SB? That is equal to 200. Okay. You have two equations, two unknowns. So, hindi nyo pwedeng gamitin yung mode 5 dyan kasi hindi naman siya naka-form ng ax plus by na may squared kasi siya. Eto, may nakikita kayo dito. Familiar kayo dito. Anong tawag natin dyan? Kaya sa sa mathematics. Anong tawag dito? Tinuro to sa intervention to calculus. Difference of two square. So that is equal to SA minus SB multiplied by SA plus SB is equal to 21,504. O ano yung value ng SA natin plus SB? Di ba this is 200? So, pwede mo siyang gamitin na SA minus S is equal to 21,504 divided by 200. So, magkano si SA minus SB? So, that is equal to 107.52. O, ngayon pwede nyo nang gamitin si SA plus SB is equal to 200. So, you have two equations, two unknowns. Masasolve mo na si SA and SB. Wait lang. Ayun nga pala yung hinahanap natin. SASB pala. Hindi pa pala natin alam. So, mode, punta ka na sa mode. Ito pwede mo nang gamitin yung two equations to mode 5, 1. So, the equation is 1, negative 1, 107.52, 1, 1, 200. So, that is equal to 153.76 and 46.24 meters. So, yan yung length natin. Ngayon, kailangan natin yung distance between two supports, si XA and XB. So, how to solve for XA and XB? Ano yung formula natin ng XA? C sinh. Kung hindi ako nagkakamali, C sinh yan, di ba? Yung formula natin C sinh. Ito pala, CLN. Na pwedeng ito yung gamitin nyo. CLN. So, kahit alin naman dyan, pwedeng gamitin. CLN of SA plus C over Y. SA plus S plus Y pala. SA plus Y over Y over C. So, A to. So, palitan nyo lang ng value. So, magkano yung C natin kanina? Wala pang value ng C. Hindi pa ba nasa-solve? So, solve mo na lang. So, magkano si C? That is equal to square root of 352 squared minus SA. Magkano yung SA ko? 153.76. So, magkano si C? So, that is the square root of 352 squared minus 153.76 squared. So that is equal to 316.6415 meters. So substitute lang natin 316.6415 ln of SA, magkano yung SA natin? 153.76 plus YA, magkano yung YA? 352 over, ay, nagsalita. 316, kape pa, 6415. Okay. So, input lang natin sa calcu, XA, that is equal to 316.6415. Natural logarithm of 153.76 plus 352 over 16.641. So that is equal to 148.2807 meters. And then for x sub b, so same formula lang naman, 316.6415. Kaso ang gagamitin natin ay yung SB. Ano yung SB natin? 46.24. Plus ang YB natin ay 320 divided by 316.641. So, magkano si XB? Yan, sa 3. Ipapalitan lang natin sa taas. That is equal to 46.24 plus 301. So, that is equal to 46.0772 meters. So, the length is equal to XA plus XB. So, i-add lang natin si XA and XB. That is 143.2807 plus 46.077. So that is equal to 194.3579. So ito na yung distance between the two supports.